Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to create a website using Godaddy Updated. Start by choosing a domain and picking a hosting plan, then use the website builder or WordPress setup to configure basics. Pick a template, add pages like home, about, contact, and set site navigation. Optimize images and add SEO titles and meta descriptions. Preview on desktop and mobile, confidently connect domain and publish when ready. Choosing the right domain and hosting sets the foundation for your site. Start by searching domain availability, pick a memorable name, and register it through Godaddy. Select hosting type, shared, VPS, or managed WordPress based on traffic expectations and budget. For beginners, a website builder plan simplifies setup and includes SSL and backups. Check renewal costs and domain privacy options before buying. Design gives your site personality and builds trust with visitors. Choose a responsive template in Godaddy's builder and customize colors, fonts, and logo to match branding. Create clear pages, home, services, blog, contact, and privacy policy with concise headings and CTAs. Compress images, use readable typography, and write meta descriptions for each page to improve search visibility. Regularly update content to keep you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.